Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will know how to check whether this phone is really 5G or 4G. So whether 4G or 5G, you can check it yourself in your phone. Just go to the settings first and click on display and brightness. Click on display and brightness and click on screen refresh rate, and if screen refresh rate is given up to 120 Hz high refresh rate, then you can surely understand that phone has 5G. So this phone is made up of 5G, it supports 5G. If it's not seen, if 120 Hz is not seen, maximum is just up to 90 Hz, then you can surely know that device is not 5G, it's 4G. Okay, so from this refresh rate 120 Hz means surely you can believe that phone has 5G. And also you can get it by another way. Go to the settings again and click on mobile network. Click on mobile network, and here select any SIM card and click on preferred network type, and if it shows here 5G, then only you can know that this is surely 5G. If 5G preferred network is not showing here, then surely it will not 5G and it will be in 4G. Okay, so here maximum 5G can be used. That's what here it's showing. So in these two methods you can easily understand that your phone has 5G. So this phone has 5G. In this way you can conclude that your phone has whether 4G or 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.